Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today, good morning. Today, as we have completed all our revision, history, civics, geography, whatever lesson is coming in periodic assessment one, we have completed all. So, our total revision was also taken on Google Form link. So, those questions which yesterday I had given on Google Form link, those questions today we are going to discuss. You can check. You know your answers, whatever answers you have marked in the exam, means Google Form test. Okay, so now from this you will be able to know how many marks you will get out of 15. Clear? So,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
so no need to upload the marks. Those who are present, you can check from here how many answers are wrong from your side. Now choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. The first one is the British thought surveys were important for effective.
Ma'am, effective administration.
Yes, effective administration will be the correct answer. Then, according to Mill, rule was capable of civilizing Indian society. Whose rule was
British.
capable?
Ma'am,
Yes.
British.
British answer will be the correct. If you have written British, then it is correct answer. Then when did the King of Nepal finally take over as head of the government?
2005.
February
February
2005. Yes, if the option you have put a tick mark over there, that means your answer will be correct for B. Question number third. Then secularism, most of the student have done this wrong.
Ma'am, one real.
Means wait. Two section I am taking, and especially I have made it clear about this question also. What does the word secularism mean? But then also काफी जनों ने इसके लिए गड़बड़ किया है. Questions इसमें गड़बड़ हुई है. So most people have made the mistake here. Secularism means that the state promotes no religion. Yes, state कोई religion promote नहीं करता है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Clear? So if you have written answer no religion, secularism means state promotes. State promote करता है. कोई religion promote करता है? No religion promote करता है. Promote means importance देना, उसको spread करना. तो कोई भी religion को spread नहीं करता है. That means no religion. और अगर सिर्फ ये आता, secularism means
no religion.
Yes, no religion. That means no state religion.
Does not
Promote any official religion. Clear?
does not want to change the religion or do not discriminate between two religions.
Yes. Clear this much? तो सेकुलरिज्म का मतलब है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टेट रिलीजन नहीं है, कोई ऑफिशियल रिलीजन नहीं है. क्लियर? सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव डन दिस मिस्टेक हियर. फोर्थ आंसर में आपने बहुत ज्यादा गलत किया है. नेक्स्ट इज then the human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited under right against exploitation. Clear? Next is technology is an example of
Human made resource.
sure human made resource. If you have written this answer, then it's correct. Then some of the principle of sustainable development are some of the principle of sustainable. This also many of you have.
Only take care.
Government should only take care.
Yes. Now listen. Keep your audio off. Now listen. You in this question, what is asked? You have to see that which is the incorrect. गलत ऑप्शन कौन सा है इसमें, वो देखना आपको. Rest others are the principle of sustainable development. Clear?
Option number C.
So
Option number D.
option number D will be the incorrect option for this sentence. That is, some of the principle of sustainable development are. All the above are the principle of sustainable development. Clear? तो अब इसमें भी काफी बच्चों ने गलत किया है. So you have to read the question carefully. ये आगे का आपने पढ़ा नहीं होगा. इनकरेक्ट कौन सा है इसमें, वो मार्क करना है आपको. Clear? This also, most of you have made a mistake in this. Next, people are natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles.
Human made.
Ma'am, human made resources.
Yes, human-made resources. Clear?
Okay.
Kailash Patel, I think you are here for disturbing the class. You don't want to learn or revise the lessons. Erase this now. Immediately. Immediately erase this. Are you following or not? I think left. Fine. Next is, till here it is clear. Next question was history of British
Yes,
India is a
ma'am.
massive dash.
Three, ma'am. 3 volume.
Yes, so B option will be the correct option. That is 3 volume work. Okay. Next is British introduced practice of dash to know about rural topography.
Surveying.
Surveying. Okay. So next is dash was the president of Constituent Assembly.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr.
Yes.
Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, if president is asked of Constituent Assembly, you have to write down Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Clear? Next.
Biotech.
Yes, dash resources are derived from living things. Biotech. Then answering one word. Who was Prince Arthur?
The third queen of
Third son of Victoria was won the title of Duke.
Who was Prince Arthur? Prince Arthur was the third son of Queen Victoria, who was given the title of Duke of Connaught. In this also, many of you have made mistake. This question also. So be careful. Next time it is, now next question, question number 14. It is necessary that all countries have a constitution are democratic.
No, it's not necessary.
Yes. No, it is not necessary that all countries have a constitution are democratic. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सारी countries जिसके पास भी constitution बना हुआ हो तो वो democratic country हो. Clear? So this answer also many of you have made mistake. So in this answer, in 13th answer, sorry, in this 13th answer question, then Prince Arthur one, here this वाला, ये वाला भी, फिर 7th वाला भी आपको बताया था. So many questions, many of you have made mistake. So try to read the questions carefully. Last question, what is the resource? Any natural or human wealth that can be used for satisfying human needs is called a resource. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you know about
Yes,
the marks.
ma'am.
कितने mistake किए आपको पता लग गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So most of you have done mistake in this Prince Arthur one and this 14th Constitution Democratic. Then in this Principle of Sustainable Development. In this also many of you have made mistake. Then I have seen in, yes, secularism. 4th question. Secularism, so most of you were confused. Most of you.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
So now
Yes,
be
ma'am.
careful next time. Read the question carefully. What is the demand of the question? And then slowly, means confidently then write down the answer after reading the question carefully. I hope it is clear everything. Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
You will show our marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is not necessary to show the marks, beta na? Is it necessary? Now you can yourself find out कि कितने गलत किए. Or still it needs. I hope it is now clear. Marks no matters. आपको knowledge होना चाहिए है ना? आपको खुद को पता लग गया क्या है? Marks matters of this revision test. Revision इस revision test का marks matter करेंगे?
No, ma'am.
नहीं है ना? Okay. So
No.
None of you have got 15 out of 15 in sorry 1 Charul Gehlot, sorry Charul Gehlot Only one has got 15 out of 15 for that. So clap your hands, everybody, for Charul Gehlot. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Just many of you had made mistake in secularism, so got 14 or 13. 13 and 14 is the next level of your marks of all the students. Clear? Few have got 12 also, 10 also. Clear? So least marks in your class is I will not speak out, no matters this marks, but just you go through all the lessons now carefully and try to read the questions carefully first. Questions ध्यान से पढ़ोगे आप तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना? तो आप मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे आप. बाकियों की मिस्टेक आई है एक क्वेश्चन में या दो क्वेश्चन में, so be particular about reading the questions now carefully. Now matter marks to be uploaded or not? Is it necessary? आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर से ओके क्लियर. नाउ मार्क्स विल मैटर ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेस्ट. You have to work hard for periodic test and overall thorough revision should be there for that. कि कोई mistake नहीं है. Everybody should get 15, 30 out of 30. 30 marks test will be there. 30 out of 30 everybody should get, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now next you. Now should I remove this PDF of periodic periodic assessment revision test on Google Form link? Remove कर दूँ ये वाला? No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ डाउट है तो अभी क्लैरिफाई कर लो.
Okay.
No doubt. Okay, then I'm removing this now.
Ma'am.
Okay, now next is.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कैलाश पटेल फोन करके बोल रहा है.
बेटा कैलाश पटेल है.
उसको भी जोड़ो.
हाँ उसको भी मैं एंटर कर दूंगी, बट उसको इसलिए मैंने अभी उसको इस टाइप से अभी तक एडमिट नहीं किया है बिकॉज क्या करा था उसने क्लास में डिस्ट्रैक्ट.
उसके भाई ने ले लिया था फोन.
ओके. क्लास में डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके फिर वो एकदम से रिमूव हो गया था. कोई बात नहीं, मैं अभी एडमिट कर रही हूँ अगेन वापस.
अरे रुक जा रहे.
हेलो, आई एडमिटेड अगेन. This was the geography revision work. This was the geography revision work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now geography revision work. Any doubt in this geography revision work?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
First, which of these is some utility? Utility means utility means importance है ना, all of these. फिर economic value. Economic value.
Metals.
Metals. Then resources are distributed unequally over the earth because
The
different natural condition.
yes, different natural conditions. Then next, resources drawn from nature used without much modification.
Natural resources.
Natural resources.
Natural resources. Then example of biotech.
Animals.
Yes, animals. Coal is an example of
Non-renewable resources.
Non-renewable resources.
then technology is an example of
Human
Human-made resources.
resources used carefully in doing the
Conservation.
Conservation. Resource conservation.
yes, resource conservation. Then balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future. Good. Good. Yes, sustainable development. Which one of the following does not make a substance a resource?
Quantity.
Sure, everybody. Quantity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which one of the following is human-made resource?
Medicine to treat cancer.
Non-renewable resources are
Those which have limited stock.
those which have limited stock. Then state true and false. Non-renewable resources have unlimited stock.
True, ma'am. True.
True or false? 13.
False.
False. False.
False, ma'am. False.
So read the question before giving the answer. Read the question carefully, beta. Solar and wind energy is an example of
False.
False. False.
solar and wind energy is an example of renewable resource.
No.
True.
Then resources are equally distributed all over the earth.
False. It's false.
Anything that is used to satisfy the need is called.
Resources.
Dash is an application of latest skill and knowledge.
Technology.
All resources have some.
Value.
Hello. Time and dash. Yes, again it is repeated.
Time and technology.
Yes, dash and help in
Education.
Yes. So
Education.
yes. Now apart from this, I am again and again telling that any under the picture also, any important information in the book in your lesson is given in glossary form or under the picture. Everything is important. Read carefully each and everything. Clear? And when attempting the paper, please read the questions carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now any
Yes,
doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure. And
Yes, ma'am.
don't depend on these questions only, whatever we have done as revisions, but go through the lessons also. Might be any question can come inside, other question can also come, है ना? तो आप पूरा थोड़ा रिवीजन वर्क भी याद करना, बट इसके अलावा भी बुक में से भी एक बार पढ़ लेना, ठीक है ना?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then should I remove this also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rakshit here.
Yancy है number 1 post useful.
Rakshit, what happened? Okay. Now civics also. Civics, any doubt is there? Civics, any doubt is there in civics lesson?
No, ma'am.
Okay. First again you check your work in your notebooks. You have done na revision. Check it. In 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In 1934, Dash demanded the Constituent Assembly for the first time.
Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress is the correct answer. The Indian Constitution was drafted by
Constituent Assembly.
Constituent Assembly. Okay. Then in Nepal, the struggle for democracy started in
1990.
1990.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the father of Indian Constitution.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R.
Father of Indian Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and President
Rajendra Prasad.
Constituent Assembly. Yes. To ensure greater economic and social reforms, the Constitution introduced
Directive Principle of State Policy. Directive Principles of State Policy.
good. That is principles of state policy. Now, Dash is a group of people who make laws and run the government.
Executive. Executive.
Executive. Then Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first
Labor. Labor Minister.
labor minister. The existence of more than one level of the government in the country.
Federalism.
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 The human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited under
Right against
exploitation.
right against exploitation.
okay, the
Right
Indian
against
exploitation.
Monarchy.
The Indian government is dash form of government.
Parliamentary.
Parliamentary will be the correct answer. Parliamentary. Right to move freely falls under.
Right to freedom.
Right to freedom.
Yes, right to freedom. Then the system of courts in the country is collectively referred to as
Judiciary.
Judiciary.
judiciary. Dash was the finance minister of India.
John Makia.
John Mathai. John Mathai. Mathai. Dash was urged by B.R. Ambedkar to join the government and civil services.
Schedule caste.
Yes, scheduled caste. Then the first health minister of independent Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Then Dash was the first prime minister of independent India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian constitution was finally completed in.
Ma'am, don't know.
Yes, what happened? Don't you know?
November 1946.
November.
Ma'am, November 1949.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, November. February, ma'am, February.
Indian constitution was finally completed in November 1949. Then Dash was the president of the Constituent Assembly.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes,
Rajendra Prasad.
president of Constituent Assembly. Then elected representatives in India are part of elected legislature. Then everyone is equal before law. The right falls under
Right to equality.
Right to equality.
Right to study equality.
right to equality, equal before law. That means right to equality. Now, constitution of a nation contains
Both.
Rules and laws. Both A and B.
yes, both A and B. C option.
Both.
Then what refers to the goal or principle in most excellent or perfect form? Ideal. Ideal. Clear? Then by which time had the nationalist movement gained momentum?
Middle of 20th century. Beginning.
A. Beginning of 20th century. Then when did the king of Nepal finally take? Yeah, again to February 2005 will be there. State governments have authority to make rules or subject of
National concern.
none of these. None of these. Okay?
Ma'am, none of.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
None of these is the answer. Now, who had the role to play in formation of government under universal adult franchise? In formation of the government? Yes.
All adult Indians
All adult
above
Indians.
18.
Yes, good. What kind of role citizens of India play in elected representatives?
Direct.
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 What refers to independent people in democratic form of government?
Soberjan.
Sovereign. Clear? Then secularism means that the state
No religion. No religion.
हाँ, ये देखो आपको रिलीजन में भी कराया था फिर भी आपने मोस्ट ऑफ योर डन रॉन्ग. सेकुलरिज्म मींस द स्टेट प्रमोट्स नो रिलीजन, किसी भी रिलीजन को फेवर नहीं करता है. प्रमोट मींस फेवर करना. देन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.
False.
So clear about this? I hope
Yes, ma'am.
yes. You do a thorough revision before marking any answer. Read the questions carefully in your exam. And if any doubt till your exams also, if any doubt is there before
No, ma'am.
your exam before 8th, you can ask me on my WhatsApp. Clear?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Take care.